if you're thinking of bongga ulam ideas na pwede mo ring gawin pambaon ng mga Junakis, pero you want it in style, let's prepare today Japanese style burger steak. This is super duper easy to prepare and all natural. So bonggang-bongga talagang pambao ng mga bata. So first, I have here ground beef with some fats. And into this, I'm going to put finely chopped onions. I have here garlic granules, granulated garlic. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng minced garlic or grated garlic. I have here salt, black pepper, a lot of black pepper. Gusto ko medyo peppery yung burger steak ko. And 2 whole eggs. At ito yung secret. To keep your burger steak really tasty and moist, maglalagay tayo ng fresh breadcrumbs. These are just milk bread na food processor ko. You need around 1/3 cup. Ayan. So make sure gumawa ka ng fresh breadcrumbs, i-food processor mo lang. And then, of course, ayan. You mix it by hand. Okay. Once it's totally mixed, may nakikita pa akong garlic granules on one side, so haluin ko pa ng konti. Okay. So once it's well mixed, ang size na gusto ko is, well, nasa sayo. You can make mini burger steak like this, or pwede namang mas malaki-laki. Diba? So, 2 scoop. And of course, you can prepare this ahead of time. Store it in the fridge for up to 2 days, or pwede mo ding i-freezer. The good thing about this, alam mo kung anong pumupunta sa iyong burger. Kung pambaon naman, pang breakfast, you can make small patties like this. Really up to you. So itutuloy ko lang ang pag-shape ng aking burger patties. And next, let's prepare the sauce. Okay, so pinapainit ko na yung aking all-purpose pot. We can start frying or pan-frying our burgers. So, lagyan ko lang ng konting mantika. Painitin natin, hintayin natin uminit bago natin ilagay ang ating burger steak. And over here, I'm going to cook my sauce. Ito yung magpapaspecial dyan. So, this is a Japanese style na sauce. Not so authentic dahil ito po ay dinevelop ko base sa aking personal liking, but napakasarap, I promise you. So first, getchang tayo ng butter into my pan. And then I have here garlic, grated ginger. Parang teriyaki sauce to na medyo thicker. Okay, the garlic, the ginger. You just put some cornstarch. Okay, cook the cornstarch with the garlic and the ginger. And then I put a splash of Japanese soy sauce. Some water. Okay, mukhang maginit na ang aking kawali, ang aking all-purpose pot. Mali ka ng sauce. And then we just put some tomato ketchup. Brown sugar. A bit of togarashi for that added spice. And then that's it. Papatayin ko na yung apoy. Smells so good. And look at the texture, oh. Perfect. If you want it thicker, pwede mo pandagdagan ng slurry. But as it cools down, medyo lalapot yan. Pero ako, I think, dagdagan ko ng konting cornstarch. Para lang mas malapot-lapot. Slurry. And then, ang ating burger. Check mo. Nice. Perfect magluto ng burger sa cast iron. Kaya perfect na perfect yan kapag niluto mo dito sa ating Chef RV all-purpose pot. Look. Nicely brown. Nagpo-form siya ng crust. Ganito kasi yung klaseng burger na gusto ko, yung thick. Pero teka, titikman ko muna tong sauce if there's any adjustment. Lagyan ko konting sugar. Gusto ko kasi manamis-namis. Perfect. And then dito, magigisa-gisa lang ako ng konting carrots for the side. Slice mo lang yung carrots, pwedeng wedges. So how do you know if your burger is, kung gusto mo talagang lutong-luto hanggang sa loob, pindot-pindutin mo, makikita mo, medyo malambot pa. Ibig sabihin, yung loob niya is hindi pa lutong-luto. If you want it lutong-luto, pwede mo siyang takpang ganyan to let the steam cook it and medyo hinaan mo yung apoy. Ito naman, lalagyan ko konting tubig and a little bit of butter. Tapos, may isa pa tayong lulutuin, yung pang-topping naman natin. So, itatabi ko na muna tong sauce. Okay, tinakpan ko yung burger and papatayin ko na yung apoy. I'll let the carry-over heat cook it. Now, this is naman my balsamic onions. O, diba? Ang sosyal pakinggan, but basically, it's just like this. Magigisa ka lang ng sibuyas. So, I have here onions, white onions. And lalagyan mo ng balsamic vinegar. Gisa-gisa muna natin ng konti. Okay, gisa-gisa mo lang. A little bit of salt. And balsamic vinegar. I know, sa simula, maasim yung balsamic vinegar, but as you reduce it, ang naiiwan po dyan ay yung tamis. So, isisimmer natin to dito ng mga 5 to 10 minutes. Eto namang burger, pinatay ko na yung apoy. Tinakpang ko lang na ganyan para manatiling juicy. Eto namang carrots natin, malapit-lapit na din. And maya-maya, i-plate na po natin yan. It's going to be super duper bongga. Okay, so ayan. Niluluto ko na lahat ng burger. And ayan, naiyak na ako. Kasi dalawang pampaiyak, onions, tapos suka. Now frying yung mga mini patties sa ating all-purpose pot. Diba? Isn't it bongga? One pot. Pang prito, pang anything na nais mo. And pwedeng-pwede mong gamitin na yan na pang serve dahil ang bongga-bongga niya. So eto, luto na din. Pinatay ko na yung apoy. How nice. Perfectly browned. Dito lang ako kukuha kasi diet ako para maliit lang. So meron ako ditong Japanese rice. So, ganito po yan. Yung Japanese rice, ayan, lagay mo dyan. Okay? There it is. Tapos, i-press mo ng konti. You put some vegetables on the side. Your carrots. And then, you get your burger. Sauce. Talagang yung sauce, dyan mo mismo yan. Hahayaan mo siyang bumagsak dun sa kanin. Isn't it super bongga? And then, ito is optional actually. Itong balsamic onions, but it's super duper good. Maglagay ka niyan, oh. And then, lagyan mo ng greens. This is just alfalfa sprout. Isn't it super duper bongga and social? Diba? Burger lang. Na-transform natin into something like this. And hindi tayo gumamit ng mga extremely expensive ingredients na nakakasira ng budget. So, tikman natin. Sana hindi ko na-overcook yung burger. Mukhang hindi naman. Silipin natin yung loob. Oh, I love it. Ayan, oh. Pag sinilip mo, medyo reddish pa yung loob niya. And extremely moist. Now, let's try the burger first. Ay, ang sarap. Ang moist. And, sundin mo yung tip ko. Use fresh breadcrumbs. Kahit ba meron ka dyang ensaymada na walang icing, yon, mas masarap yon. Make sure to use soft bread para talagang magdadagdag ng moisture, added sweetness dun sa iyong burger. Now with the rice. Nako, weakness ko po kasi talaga ang Japanese rice. Sira ako sa Japanese rice, sorry. Kaya talagang sarap na sarap ako. My gosh. Super duper good. Kung hindi mahilig ang anak mo sa onions, fried egg. Pwede mo lagyan ng fried egg yan on top. Gumawa ka na. Because this will surely make you extremely happy. I'm going to see you soon.